Hey guys, so I can't barely talk right now because my mask is drying, but today is Sunday, and as you guys probably know, I'm leaving for VidCon on Wednesday, so there's only like a few days left, and I was like, okay, let me film one more video at home before I go. So I got my nails done, so you know how girls always, you know what I mean? So excuse that. I'm already doing it. So today I'm going to be doing an Instagram baddie transformation. Now you probably know what an Instagram baddie is, but I'm going to be doing my interpretation of it. We're going to do makeup, hair, and outfit. This is what we're starting off with. I'm waiting for this little patch to dry and then I'm going to wash it off. Thank you to Skinberry for sending me this mask, and I'm testing it and trying it out, and I'm a part of their launch team. This will be released on July 10th. Okay, I'm back and my face mask is off. I put on my moisturizer, some of this, bear with me, Radiant Perfecting Primer. So for today's look, like I said, we're doing Instagram baddie, full coverage, face. We're gonna obviously start with our face things first. We're using my Born This Way. We're just gonna take it right onto the beauty blender and just blend it like so. We're going to take our Born This Way concealer and conceal. Then we're just going to blend it out again. Okay, next we're going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and we're going to set our face or whatever. Do eye primer. That way, whenever we do our eyeshadow, it'll already be there. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes using this palette. Right now, I'm just going in with this brown, and then I'll show you what to do next, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, now that we have that part done, we're going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to try to do a cut crease, so we'll see. Okay, so this isn't as pink as I want, so we're gonna actually go in with this one next to it and put it on top as well. I don't know what this bump is, and it's really weird. It's just there. We're gonna be doing winged eyeliner, so hopefully this goes right. Okay, it's not bad. Now it's time for the lashes, so we're just gonna apply some mascara. So I'm gonna be putting on these. These are Ardell Demi Wispies. So now we have our eyes done. I'm gonna get some spray. I'm just gonna rehydrate our face. Get some blush, bronzer. Okay, so let's put on some blush. Using my Tarte Party blush. I always use this one. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. And we're just going to chisel out our face. We're going to blend it out. Okay, now we're gonna take our bronzer and just kind of go over it. And also just bronze. Okay, now my favorite part, highlight. Then we're gonna need a smaller brush for our brow bone. Blend this a little. And I'm gonna spray it. I almost kind of forgot about lipstick, but we're gonna use our Kylie Jenner one. We could go with that one, or I have two other ones. Let's just test them out here. I think we're gonna go with this one. This is Charm Velvet Liner. Using my NYX liner in Ever. I love this liner. Let's put that lipstick on. And boom. Makeup is done. Let's go on to the other parts. Okay guys, so I put the outfit on, so now it's time to do the final reveal. I also did my hair, so we're gonna do the final reveal. So are you ready? Here we go. Voila! The final outfit. And the final reveal. Here's the outfit. It's just a neon pink tube top with some camo leggings. I think this is the perfect outfit for this look. In the mirror, what do you guys think? Is this an IG baddie look? I think the neon and the camo just speaks baddie to me. And then with the makeup, of course. But yeah guys, so that is basically my Instagram Baddie Transformation. Of course we got the nails too. I really like this look. I actually just bought this outfit, but I love this outfit. And it came to mind whenever I had this video idea. So I decided to go ahead and wear it for this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Instagram Baddie Transformation. I know you guys love my transformation videos, even though this one was not a celebrity or anything. But still, give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Leave me a comment below what kind of transformation you want me to do next. Don't forget that I'll be going to VidCon here in a few days. By the time you're watching this, like shortly after this video goes up, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube, of course, and join the butterflies. Hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.